Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to make easy money fast by mastering intraday trading techniques. If you're someone who's always wondered about how people make quick profits through trading, then this video is for you. With the right strategies and techniques, intraday trading can be highly profitable, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can master it. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. What is intraday trading? Before we get into the strategies and techniques, let's first understand what intraday trading is. Intraday trading, as the name suggests, involves buying and selling stocks within the same day. The goal of intraday trading is to make quick profits by taking advantage of small price movements in stocks. As an intraday trader, your aim is to buy low and sell high within the same day. While intraday trading can be highly profitable, it also involves a high level of risk. Therefore, it's essential to have a clear understanding of the strategies and techniques before you start trading. Mastering intraday trading techniques. Now that we have a basic understanding of intraday trading, let's look at some techniques that can help you master it and make easy money fast. 1. Develop a trading plan. The first and foremost step to becoming a successful intraday trader is to develop a trading plan. Your trading plan should include entry and exit points, stop-loss levels, and profit targets. Having a plan in place will help you make informed decisions and reduce impulsive trading. 2. Follow market trends. One of the most crucial aspects of intraday trading is to follow market trends. You need to keep an eye on the market and identify trends that can help you make profitable trades. To do this, you can use technical analysis tools like charts and indicators. 3. Use profitable indicators. The use of profitable indicators is essential in intraday trading. Indicators like moving averages, relative strength index, RSI, and Bollinger Bands can help you identify profitable trades and make informed decisions. 4. Learn to manage risk. Managing risk is crucial in intraday trading. To manage risk, you need to set stop-loss levels and stick to them. It's also important to diversify your portfolio and not invest all your money in one stock. 5. Practice on a demo account. Before you start trading with real money, it's essential to practice on a demo account. A demo account allows you to trade with virtual money and helps you understand the trading platform and the techniques involved in intraday trading. 6. Keep track of emotions. Emotions can have a significant impact on your trading decisions. Fear, greed, and anxiety can lead to impulsive trades and ultimately, losses. Therefore, it's crucial to keep track of your emotions and not let them influence your trading decisions. Conclusion. In conclusion, intraday trading can be highly profitable if you use the right strategies and techniques. Developing a trading plan, following market trends, using profitable indicators, managing risk, practicing on a demo account, and keeping track of emotions are some of the techniques that can help you master intraday trading and make easy money fast. However, it's important to remember that intraday trading involves a high level of risk, and it's essential to do your research before investing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more informative content. Happy trading!